Hi guys, it's Sunday, January 15th, 2023. Here's the Astro Excel chart for the coming week. You can see I've left the last few days of last week on there. The general trend direction was pretty good. The rally early Monday bucked the trend, but as we moved into Tuesday, it got back on track pretty well. You'll see now we're into, as we come into tonight at the 1800 hour open here, we've got some slight upward pressure on the green line, but we are below the minus 20 line here now, so our general pressure coming up is down. Recall from the other videos that we're looking for this to flip over and looking for a general downtrend, probably till around the 25th or 26th. So we're going to be moving up slightly above the minus 20 line, so we've got some upward pressure, and the green line and blue line both peak out here at about 6:08 tomorrow morning on the 16th. So they peak together and head down, so we've got synchronicity there. But then we've got the green line moving down into the 17th, and it bottoms on the 17th right here between 7 and about 9:30. And then the green line starts to move up. It's moving up, and then it peaks on the 18th between 1830 and 2146. And then we start to push down, and we've got a gradual decline into the end of the week. Some of the key blue line spikes are going to be here on the 17th at 2213. On the 18th at 8:09, the 19th we have about 11 a.m., 13:46 in the afternoon, and one evening spike at 20:20. Nothing that important on Friday. We do have this 14:49 afternoon spike on Friday right at the 10 line. So those are the important ones to kind of look at. If you've watched these forecasts with this, these intra-week forecasts, sometimes we run slightly out of phase. The market will generally be following the green line as a general trend direction. Sometimes it'll track the blue line and track the blue line closely. The blue line is the moon. The green line is an average of all the planets. So that's kind of the gist of it for this week. That's what we'll be looking at. So we'll see how this shakes out. We came into the area, the high that I had predicted for Friday. I had said 40.27.28, and I had another projection at 40.30. We did hit 40.24 and a quarter at that high, right near the close, just before 4 o'clock or so on Friday. So now we are looking to flip this thing over and start heading down.